Good morning. Welcome to another vlog. Today we are going to Whistler, BC to bike. I'm just the driver, the cook, and everything but not biking. So the bikers today are Joseph, Noli, and Jopit, and they're gonna load their bikes.
Hi, good
Hi.
morning everyone. Good morning. Let's load it up.
They are now loading their bikes. And we are coming from another campsite. It's already almost 7 a.m. We have to leave. It is a 12-hour drive from our place. So we have to move faster, guys. As you can see, our truck is really full. We are just going camping in Whistler just to save some money. To stay in a hotel in Whistler is really expensive. So we booked a site in Whistler. It's called Whistler RV campsite. I think Whistler RV parks and campgrounds. We are going. Our first stop, guys, if you are new to Canada, the affordable way to have your breakfast is Tim Hortons. Siyempre, bida. Vlog. Hi. We are here in old YouTube.
Salamat eh. Pamahaw. Kaon tagitlog mga bay.
Pamahaw, namo, pamahaw, kutsinta, itlog, our breakfast. We have
Bay,
carrots
gusto kang itlog?
and
Anak
we
ko?
had coffee.
Ikaw bay.
We have bread too.
Now, kukuskuling tower dito ko timing man kayo kay
Santa Cruz.
ako na silang gingnan nga nakuskuling tower.
We're on our way to Banff.
Nag-inspect ko ba sa Beltog sa
people
mga
are going there to
performance sa
bike
ako kay
to-
gusto man nila daily.
Our second stop is Banff. Look, we're here. We are privileged to stop by Banff. So we are at Central Park in Banff, stopping by to go to the washroom, and we need to get cash too. That's Rundle Mountain. We need to get cash from the machine because we need cash in Whistler. If this looks familiar, guys, we are in Banff. There you go. This is Banff. That's Rundle Mountain. And I believe that's Tunnel Mountain, and we are in Central Park. This is the post office and Norquay Mountain and Sulphur Mountain. I am very familiar in Banff because I lived here for 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 6 years. from 2005 to 2011. My entry to Canada was housekeeping. That's why I'm familiar with Banff, and this is the place that helped me. I work here in Banff. The hotel that got me was Aspen, Banff, Banff Aspen Lodge. I came here as housekeeper. They paid for my airfare, and I did not pay anything. Like I did not pay any money just to get here. But I went to school for housekeeping, and I paid about 40,000 pesos. My mom helped me with that, and the rest is paid by Banff Aspen Lodge. And then I worked there for 4 years, and then I got my family. They helped me get my family here. And then after that, I worked in other hotels too. I worked with Fairmont Palm Springs as a front desk agent. You know, guys, there's a new bridge here by the Bow River. I want to check it out. Maybe later when they come back. It's really nice. I want to check it out. We stayed in staff accommodation, working as a housekeeper here for 4 years, and we paid only like $8 per day for the staff accommodation, and we just have to pay for our food. But the board, but the lodging is only $8 that time. That was 2005. My pay before, my rate per hour was also $8. This is the washroom at Central Park. Washroom. What a very nice washroom. This bridge is just close to the washroom. That is the washroom. Okay, let's go, let's go. Thank you, Bam. Bam. Our third stop is where are we? Past by Takakaw Falls. We are going to stop here to have lunch. It's a very nice place. There is a outhouse. Wow! I love the creek. Look at the water, guys. It's so clear.
Pwede mo ito ang hunong dira sa kono. Kon?
So we're here in Kamloops. It's a very big city and it's part of British Columbia already. We're just stopping by to stretch out and have a little snack. So there's Molly, Joseph, and Kamloops. It looks like they are situated on a hillside. We are going to drive 4 more hours to Whistler Parks and Campgrounds. Vineyard.
In 2 kilometers, turn left onto Highway 99.
Vino. Whistler! 4. Makita raman na naman diha.
Sarado man.
Whistler.
Turable po eh. 6 2 8.
Number sign. Number sign.
Wala man. Asal sa? Ini nakabayad kita ita.
We are in the campsite. We just got here. It's already 8 p.m. We drove for 13 hours including our stopovers. It's really far, guys, and I am so tired. We are so tired. We're just gonna set up our tents and then eat our dinner.
Wala kay pata, naraman.
Side piece ko.
Lagi. We're here, guys.
Uy, lamok.
So, wala ni. 2 for 1.
Duda ko dito ba?
We are just gonna look for our campsite.
Aman, dito ta?
We are here. We are just backing up. We are here in the campsite. It's called Whistler RV Park and Campgrounds. It's already 8:28. We're tired. We're just unloading and we're gonna pitch our tent. We're gonna cook dinner. We have set up our tents. That's our tent from the far end. That's Jopez and
Bay,
Anona's
panulod na
tent.
ako itong mga bag.
We cook for dinner and then we're going to eat.
Kasi mo ni ganito.
Nadili.
Oh,
Dire siguro.
shout out Ariel Vera. Meron na rin kami. And Iliam Vera. Touchless water spout. At may touch pala yan. Automatic water spout.
Sa food store nga wholesale yes ba?
We are cooking a quick dinner. Just noodles and rice and vegetarian. Veggie meat.
Sa ulo brato mo ni.
So,
Dili ta tong barato.
We found somebody's phone, so we're just kind of bombing around trying to. We know who it was. We saw them. We know what they look like.
this is the washroom, guys, and there's lots of sink outside. You can wash your dishes here. There's a quiet time. Good night, guys. This is our setup for the night. That's Joseph's bed. This is my bed. And we have our dark tent. Look at our light. It's an improvised light. Joseph made it. Good night. See you tomorrow. So this is the washroom. There's the sink, toilet, and shower. Good morning. This is our official first day here in Whistler, and it is raining. It doesn't matter, it's raining, but we are in Whistler. First time in Whistler. We had a good night's sleep. You know what, guys? Coming up here, the location of the campsite is on top of a hill or mountain. So we are on top of one of the mountains. It's really steep. And today we're gonna have our breakfast.
Ano natin? Video na siya? Or... Oh! Sabi ko ito guys. Ano pinaguna niya ba ako?
Outside. Talaga?
Nahanap ko sa jacket. Sinawat ako ko na sa club ni Hindi.
Asa?
Yung jacket.
Volunteer.
Ini patutog na ba yung bola na bike?
Okay? Oh! Yo! Basta kita sudahan ka niyo. Ano ni? Pasti na.
Pwede na siya palungan din.
Morning! Time lapse na natin. Ano na siya? Lagi na. Automatic na. Tawa.
Mga kaan lang 15 seconds. It's already 8:15 in the morning. We are getting ready to go to the village in Whistler. Just so you know, guys, when you come up here to the camp, Whistler RV Parks and Campgrounds, when you check in online, they're gonna give you a code, a 4-digit code to get into the camp. So you cannot go in without the code. And also the washrooms, guys, have codes, door codes. So make sure you have them, or else you won't be able to use the washroom. Or you can just ask around from other campers what's the code. They're nice. And here at our site that we got has no power, but you see behind me they have power. I did not realize that because we are just tenting, that the site that we got has no power. But so when we cooked our rice in the rice cooker, we had to plug it into the washroom. Jopet cooked the rice in the washroom. It's just outside. There's an outlet outside the hut. So nobody, nobody was here. It was already like 9 p.m. So we were able to cook our rice. So the forecast today is gonna be raining 40% for the whole day, but we are going to the village anyway.